So today we realize that Paramatma is Satchidanand and we also are Satchidanand, but because of what we learned earlier, with all the Gyan Indri, Karm Indri, ego, Ahankar, our buddhi gets brushed and we store this in our chitta. There is no chitta vritti nirodha. Is there suffering? Clear? Sat, that is real and independent. Paramatma is independent in its nature. Paramatma does not need us. Does not. Is operating. Asatya, that which is not real, not independent, this body. It is there, but it is the asatya. It will go away. It is not independent. It needs other bodies to sustain it. So it's a lie. So you know you are Atmaram. Mithya, craziest thing. Seems real but is not. Samsara, not real, not forever. Okay, Gaganji is married. You both are married. We are just taking that example. It's easy to understand. Vasundhara ji is. You are married to each other, है ना? How much you have struggled with each other and the hardships you have faced, you still going strong. But you will leave the body. He will leave the body. It's done. So the reality of this relationship is there till you are here, and whatever you have done energetically to bring each other close to the Satchitanand Swarup, which is your Atma Rama Swarup. That is why the spirituality in any relationship only holds, after a while holds it together, because the sex will go away, the desires will go away, the mood will go away, but these three sufferings will not. And in that, the partner that moves you towards Atma Rama will stay. है ना? Because we have karmic connection is why we are in this relationship. So fulfill them so that कुछ pending ना रह जाए. Nothing should be pending. So you have to remember the Swarup of Atma Rama. Always remember, I am going to leave whether this person realizes it or not. So I am going to be as fulfilling as I can be to the person. So Satya, Asatya, Mithya. This thing is clear with us. You're not going to stay here. Today you are experiencing this dimension of this universe on planet Earth. The moment you leave this body, or maybe even in this body, many people experience a different dimension of this. So there are multiple dimensions. इसलिए तो भूत प्रेत बन जाते हैं ना, या देवता बन जाते हैं. So not real. Even that is not real. So in this whole thing of relationship, dimension, what stands real? Satchitanand, Paramatma, ever existing, never changing, always there, blissful. So when we talk about me becoming one with the Satchitanand, that energetical mishran of us being one with that, and that is moksha, which also has category. I'm talking about the last moksha, Kaivalya moksha, where you, like your atoms, scatter into the atoms which is the divine itself, and your ever presence in that consciousness. Isn't that beautiful?